Is it time to buy or sell Ambarella stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Ambarella. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Ambarella as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.41. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 1.82% thus far. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.36% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and ascending trend over the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued upward movement. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 27.25% over the next 3 months, suggesting a possible return ranging from 16.39% to 41.40%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of about 1.20%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 41.70% and positive 19.58% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the anticipated price somewhere between $41.17 and $84.46. Our latest daily update for Ambarella includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Ambarella stock after losing 1.81%. The Ambarella stock price fell by 1.81% on the last day, Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, dropping from $71.93 to $70.63. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.43%, ranging from a day low of $70.48 to a day high of $73.60. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but it remains up by 2.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 1 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 2 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $130.19 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $85.15, and the lowest price was $38.86. Currently, the price is 17.05%, or $14.52, below the 52-week high, and 68.97%, or $156.96, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of December, 2021, when the price peaked at $227.59. Ambarella announced its second quarter fiscal 2026 results today, after the market close, and held the previously scheduled earnings call, marking a key update for investors in the edge AI chip maker. This report arrives against a backdrop of persistent market interest. Shares jumped sharply in June, after reports indicated the company was exploring a potential sale and attracting suitors looking to enhance automotive AI capabilities. Analysts and technical traders have highlighted bullish momentum surrounding the company in recent weeks. In the short term, heightened volatility is expected. Earnings beats or stronger guidance could spark another rally, while any revenue or margin misses or muted guidance may lead to a quick pullback, further intensified by takeover speculation. Over the longer term, Ambarella's positioning in physical AI and edge compute could support multiple expansion if product adoption across automotive and camera markets accelerates. Alternatively, if expectations become stretched or execution missteps occur, the upside would be limited unless a strategic transaction materializes that delivers an acquisition premium. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 22, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned AMBA a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, November 27, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned AMBA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, October 21, 2024, it was reported that West Park Capital assigned AMBA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, October 21, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned AMBA an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, August 28, 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned AMBA a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Ambarella stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts indicate a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ambarella. The Ambarella stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $69.61 and $67.50. A decline below any of these points would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.82%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, potentially serving as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ambarella. Ambarella finds support from accumulated volume at $69.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.12 between its high and low, which equates to 4.43%. For the past week, daily average volatility has been recorded at 4.28%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Ambarella, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 6 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ambarella. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ambarella is at $70.65. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Ambarella encounters its first support level at $69.30. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Ambarella from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of June, 2025, Paisley Christopher B. conducted an insider sale of 1,000 shares of ordinary shares. On the 17th of June, 2025, Young John Alexander conducted an insider sale of 2,435 shares of ordinary shares. On the 17th of June, 2025, Day Christopher conducted an insider sale of 342 shares of ordinary shares. On the 17th of June, 2025, Lee Chan W. conducted an insider sale of 1,601 shares of ordinary shares. On the 17th of June, 2025, Cone Leslie conducted an insider sale of 1,715 shares of ordinary shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 22.937. Overall, insiders purchased 341,842 shares and sold 239,291 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $68.28, reflecting a decrease of 3.32%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top that was identified 4 days ago. Is Ambarella stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Ambarella stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we anticipate Ambarella to open higher by 94 cents, starting at $71.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.